Hey guys, I'm gonna do a squishy skit with my friend Ariana.
Hey.
So let's get right into it so I don't waste any time. I just got a squishy package for this girl. So let's just get right into it. She said she wanted a fish squishy. Kawaii fish. I do have this kawaii fish, but I can't wait. Can't wait to see her look on her face when she sees this fish, like, tails cut off. So that's totally fine. She'll probably like it anyway. Next is green square bun. I have a green square bun, but it's like my stress reliever. So I'm gonna give her this messed up pink square bun. Sorry about the lighting. So she'll like it anyway. Next, cookie, jumbo cookie. I have this DIY cookie. You know what? It's made by me, so I'm the best. So I'll give it to her anyway. Probably like it. Face bun. You know what? I'm just gonna give her this face bun because you know what? It's still a face bun and she'll like it because it's what she asked for. Jumbo Hello Kitty waffle. I do have a jumbo Hello Kitty waffle right here. And it has a tag. But I'm going to give her this mini, because I like that one too much, this mini Hello Kitty waffle with chocolate drizzle. She'll like it anyway. Look how cute it is. Next, ice cream cone. I have this ice cream cone, but again, I like it too much. Sorry about the the noise. I have a big apartment. And I'm just gonna give her this ice cream. The affected too. Jumbo cake. I do not have a jumbo cake, but I have this jumbo cake. And it's DIY, and everybody likes DIY! So, hopefully she doesn't think she got scammed. Next, Rilakkuma bread loaf. Bread loaf, not Rilakkuma, who cares? Jumbo bear bun. Mini bear bun, who cares? McDonald's fries and cheeseburger. McDonald's order. I have this one. It's defected on the ear, but I have this perfect fries. You know what? It's totally fine. Next, I'm just gonna give her a random foot because she's gonna get scammed anyway. And I'm gonna send her my Instagram account, Squishy Scammer. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't send that. Can't tell you. So let's see how she reacts. Just gonna put it in a dumb plastic bag too. So,
Okay, I cannot wait for my squishy package to come. So, yeah, I'm just waiting.
ding dong.
Oh, that must be it. Sorry it took me a little while. Okay. One plastic bag. It's for zipper packaging. That's fine. Okay, let's see. Face bun. This is lovely. Yeah, so perfect. No license, but whatever. Green square bun. This, I did not ask for this. Why is it defected? Why is it, sorry for the lighting, why does it have like a pink? What is this? This is not, no. I asked for a jump. First of all, this is not even a cake. Sorry for the lighting. It's a DIY. I did not ask for this. Okay, that's a chow. I asked for a Rilakkuma bread loaf. This is a bread loaf. Does that look like a Rilakkuma face to you? No. Jesus God. Let's see. I asked for a jumbo Hello Kitty waffle. I mean, I still love it. It has chocolate drizzle, but it's not jumbo. I didn't ask for this. Look. I mean, it's beautiful, but no. Let's see. Jumbo bear bun. It's not jumbo. It's a bear bun, but it's not jumbo. Still love it. I mean, it's cute. Okay, let's see. Cookie. Jumbo cookie. It's not jumbo. What is this on the back? Look at no. Why? Anyways, kawaii. Oh, look at the kawaii fish face. What the fish? What happened to my squishy? I hate this. I got scammed. As for a jumbo ice cream cone, is ice cream ever gray? Is ice cream ever gray? Sorry for the lighting, but it's gray. And who puts blueberries on the bottom of an ice cream cone? What? Is this possible? Okay, now I ask for the McDonald's order. Let's see. Finally, something adorable and cute. Look at that. French fries and a defected ear. That's lovely. But it's still adorable, so I still love that. Diva pink foot. It's lovely. Lovely package. Anyways, never ever buy squishies from this like scammer. I don't even know if it's a he or she. Like, yeah. So just yeah. Anyways,
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked this video.
Bye.
Sorry about the lighting. It's really bad.
Yeah.
So bye.
Bye.